Okay, so boom. So I've been trying to get this voiceover done for a long time now, but it's just my kids are loud, the house is just loud. It's ghetto here, okay? So, and that really just, that's why I'm doing nails in the first place. So, this is a look and listen, not a tutorial. I'm not gonna say I know what I do. I know what I'm doing because I'm licensed, but I don't do nails. Never did nails. So this is all new to me and I'm learning. And honestly, this is to save my life because my life is hectic and I need something to slow me down and take my mind off of the whirlwind circus that's going on around me 90% of the time. So here we are. And these are the powders that I'm using for today's set. Don't worry if you missed any of these powders. You can always hit rewind, pause it, do what you gotta do to go back and look to see what exactly I'm using. Like, I'm really not gonna go into deep here because I only get like 100 to 200 views on my videos. I'm not gonna be doing too much. Placing the first bead, I'm already pissed. Not even gonna lie, already pissed. Ain't working how I wanted to, but we're gonna keep it going. I'm gonna just keep it moving and see how it works out for me. But yeah, that first bead placement, I was pissed. And the second one, I'm much more happy with. I didn't put it in the right spot, but at least it blended all right. So I was only halfway joking when I said that I'm starting to do nails to save my life. It's really hard being a stay-at-home mom when you don't have anything just for you. The entire house depends on you for their needs. So a lot of the time I disregard my own needs so I can fulfill my family's needs. Some women might find that very fulfilling, and I do too. However, that still doesn't negate the fact that I need something for me, just for me. And that's what nails is right now for me. See, and you can hear my kids in the background. You know, if you are aiming for perfection, my social media pages, my YouTube channel, me, I'm not for you. If that's your goal. If your goal is to see perfection and your goal is to see all this aesthetically pleasing bullshit on these social media apps daily, if that's what you want to see, then you go to those pages. But here on my page, we're authentic over here. And like I said, I'm learning. This is all new to me. So you're not going to see perfect sets. You're going to see sets that align with a beginner because that's exactly what I am. So I'm not going to over talk in this video. It's 11 minutes long, over 11 minutes long. I'm not trying to do too much. I only get 100 to 200 views on my videos anyway, so there's really no need for me to put all that effort and be talking for 11 minutes straight. So I'm just going to let you guys listen to some music and watch me do my thing. And if you have any questions, comments, constructive criticism, leave it down below. Don't be talking shit in the comments because I talk shit back. If you made it to this part of the video, you're a real one. Thank you so much for watching. I know we still got the pinky left, but I didn't get any footage of the pinky because my kids are bad. They got on my nerves and I didn't record the pinky part. But I got some footage of, you know, what the whole set looked like done. See here, yeah. There you go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And stay tuned for my next set. It's real cute. And again, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I pray that God blesses you in the same way that He's blessed me.